For over a decade, the Carling Black Label Cup has empowered champion fans of Kaiser Chiefs and Orlando Pirates with a voice and unprecedented power over the game of football. This year, Carling Black Label has challenged you, the champion fans, to change the game, your way, by selecting your starting lineup and game changers. And tonight, you will taste your reward as the 2021 champion coaches will discuss the 2021 Carling Black Label Cup starting lineup and reveal your selected game changers for the game on Sunday. Carling Black Label empowers the voice of the champion fans, and to announce the starting 11 and game changers, we have Kaiser Chiefs champion coach Morena Mofokeng. How are you? Looking great in a suit, eh?
Sure.
It's a big occasion, eh? Suit. And then Orlando Pirates' champion coach, Rorisang Matea. How are you, Rorisang?
It's about me.
Hey, you are in a suit, man, eh?
Classy, ne?
No, you're looking good, man. Ladies and gentlemen, just to remind you that the results you're about to hear were audited by Grant Thornton after the votes closed at midnight. Morena, here it is. Here's your opportunity. South Africa ready. Give us the Kaiser Chiefs starting 11 for Sunday.
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to give you a starting lineup based on your votes. My starting lineup goes like this. Numero nya pele ke na le Itumele Nkhune Mzansi's number 1, captain my captain. Numero nya bobedi ke na le Eric Tawa Matoho. Numero nya boraro ke na le Daniel Kadoso Poeka. Numero nya bone ke na le ena Happy Mashiani Beke Lebeke. Numero nya bohlano ke na le ena Ramahlwe Mphahlele. Numero nya botshelela ke na le ena Njabulo Blom. Numero nya bosupa ke na le Karen Bakas Iniesta, my Iniesta. Numero nya borobedi ke na le ena Sabelo Khatebe, Mr. Cool, calm and collected. Numero nya borobong ke na le ena Lebohang Lesako, 18 Moyeng. Numero nya leshume ke na le ena Kokota Samir Nokovici. Numero nya leshume le motsumu ke na le ena Kama Piliati, Mr. Festage Nebakoro.
Oh, that's the starting lineup. I love it. Let's confirm it for you. And it's got some really exciting young players in it. Lebohang Lesako as well as Sabelo Khatebe. Wow, that's going to be really amazing to see them in action in such a big game. But now, the game changer when it comes to the formation. What have the Amakosi chosen as the formation to start the game?
They chose 4-4-2.
There it is. Confirmed, 45% of you have voted for it. 4-4-2 is how Chiefs will start. Let's move on to Orlando Pirates. Barania, give us the starting lineup for Orlando Pirates on Sunday, please.
Ola mapagania. Starting lineup Salona sa la game ya Sunday. Kuri kotenger na le Ghana's number 1, Richard Ofori. Le morakolar na le Tsetsepetse, go na le Thulane Tyson Hlachwayo. Innocent Mayela, Ntsikelelo Nyauza, le Wade Joste. In the middle of the park, na le Tembimko Sinyoso Lodge, go na le Dion Hoto, go na le Ben Tswaramoratang Motswari, Mr. Flavor